Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 renders leave nothing to the imagination. Hey guys, as we are back again with some latest Galaxy news, and today we got our new renders for the upcoming foldables from Samsung. We're still over a week away from the official launch of Samsung's latest foldables, the Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, so naturally it's time for the device's designs to leak in full. Online leaker Blass has published a bevy of apparently official images over 91 mobiles showing the two phones from almost every angle, including in both their folded and unfolded orientations. There appears to be three color options for the Z Fold 4: black, beige, and gray, and 4 for the Z Flip 4: black, gold, blue, and purple. If you were hoping for radically different designs for either device compared to last year's models, though, you're likely to be disappointed. Both appear to have inherited fundamentally similar looks, right down to camera bumps and black strip across the top of the Z Flip's back because of the black wallpaper on the Fold 4's display. It's difficult to see if the inner display will once again feature an under-display selfie camera, which offered disappointing performance on last year's phone. The images also don't offer a conclusive answer about whether or not the Z Fold 4 will include a built-in holder for an S Pen stylus, a feature that's previously been rumored, but the lack of big design changes doesn't rule out useful improvements for this year's foldables. For starters, a previous leak suggested that the Z Flip 4's folding display may have been upgraded to result in a less obvious crease along the middle of the screen when unfolded, and one report claimed the Z Flip 4 will have a larger secondary display on its exterior. There can also be software improvements on the way for the Z Fold 4 thanks to Android 12 leaders, an update for Google's mobile operating system, which includes improvements specifically designed for large screen devices. For more information, we're going to have to wait until August 10th, when both phones are expected to be announced alongside a new smartwatch, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung has grand plans to promote its Galaxy Unpacked event and recently unveiled a new trailer. It also shared that it will hold physical events in London and New York, and that BTS will once again promote Samsung's smartphones. Also, there will be a special music video from the group which will be broadcast on screens found in iconic locations worldwide. Although we are still a couple of weeks away from the Galaxy Unpacked on August 10th, Samsung has opened up reservations for the upcoming smartphones. Reserving your Galaxy smartphone ahead of the event will offer incentives that total up to 200 in credits. So what do you guys think about these new renders? Because they actually looks better. Let me know it down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See Ollie for the next time. Peace out, you.